everyone. Hello. It's your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe and hit the notification bell. So, my darling people, and today topic now about Diana Ekweme. Now, our topic I want to talk about today because I dey really see this saga for Protocol saga. This one go say they don't support him, the other one go say they don't support him, like the thing they surprise me, like, don't rely on people for this whitey. Don't rely say now somebody go make you blow, you understand? Just believe in yourself, say you can do it. Don't rely say now somebody will come help you when you take grow. Because they say this Protocol saga, the other one go say now so intel this one make it help great help those Protocol bloggers, so like I go the one that say you just put your hope on people, say now people go help you blow. Only people, if God say you go blow for this YouTube, you go blow. If God say this YouTube you go make am, you go make am. But not just realize say now somebody will come help you when you go take make am, you understand? Come begin they do saga, they insult each other. All those are not called for. Really like, you're not called for. You understand? So the thing they surprise me when I go they see many all those YouTubers, all those big YouTubers, maybe small YouTuber go meet and say I beg, make you support them. You will say no. Say they support because that is they're not gonna even mind you, even though you even write to them. Say may they help you, they're not gonna help you because they look you say what you do for your channel. This one will be small YouTuber, but one day now so na start one day this small YouTuber go see grow. Yeah, it go grow. But the way some people say they take the thing like say maybe a person not go reach where they dey one day, you must still reach there one day. Now small now they take start and then they can't still blow like that. So you too go see blow one day. But don't just put your hope say now somebody will come help you take blow. No. One video one day will just make you go viral. People go come the year of you. They say, you don't know Lady J, you don't know this one, you don't know Happy Sexy Mama, you don't know Jenny Talk Show, small, you can't blow. You understand? So this is a Protocol saga, it's not really called for. Like seriously, it's not called for at all. It's not called for. Not be somebody go make you grow for this whitey. Nobody go fit make you grow. Now you, God, if God say you go grow for this YouTube. If God say you go blow. But don't rely on people. Don't put your hope for people. Say that people now go come help you. My dear, who they help? Some of all those big YouTubers, the way they will say they do you like say you not go reach there one day. You yourself, you go even tire say, now wow, you go able to write to them, you go able to super chat, they don't go mind you. Because they look you say, who this one be? What's gonna make me support this one? But they forget, say one day, you'll see blue, you'll see big. You understand? So all those saga for Protocol, all those Protocol YouTubers, the Diana Ekweme, the other woman, and they always follow them, but I can't be surprised for this one what they can't do now. Now those one are children things, you understand? I can't see one post where somebody post say Diana Ekweme say he don't see get belle again, say again for the second one. I can't wonder say she be na husband as e dey. She get right to get belle again, follow e pikin. I don't understand. I don't know why some people though they carry drink Panadol for another person headache. She be na you want tell her when you go take born join pikin. I don't understand. And you go come tell her when she will take born join pikin. She get right to born join pikin. She get right to get belle. Say after 11 months when you just born, you don't they get belle. Even though na 6 months, if belle enter, you want born my dear, because they're not the whole person for pikin matter. Now you dey husband as to start with. You dey do vaga, you dey enjoy yourself. So why be belle come, you become turn on that person headache. And so that day when message on you, they say, message on go get belle. It concern anybody. She be na husband ass na e dey. So if you dey husband ass now, you no fit get belle. I be now to try tell me. If person dey husband ass, he get belle, they will say why I go get belle. I don't understand really. Like I don't understand the way some people say they reason. Say I go get belle after 11 months again. He concern you. He want rush am. Now you better pass. So you don't do one once you remove your eye. For me, that be the best. For when somebody will come born pikin finish, some people after 2 years they gonna say okay, one born again. After 3 years, pikin not going to come again. You understand? As your body just open, just they do am anytime. You understand? So I know like we be say some people go they like they prognose for another person matter. Say I go get belle again after level. It not concern you. Even though you get belle after 6 months, your husband not dey complain. Now husband as he dey, he get right to get belle. He get right. He get right. Some people go just they do like say they follow you, they stay house like they be your family member, and them can't tell you when you take get belle, follow your pikin. It not concern anybody. You get right to born at any time when you want born pikin. You understand? So the matter sometimes I will just for you some kind of topic. Sometimes I will just the shortalize like some people go just they want drink Panadol for another person headache. Want drink Panadol for matter will not concern you. Person get belle follow a pikin after 11 months. They complain say again. Like if you wait for 2 years or 5 years before you go come born join now. Like seriously? Or you go take permission from you, say I want get belle, we don't reach. Now so now. You go tell you say I want get belle. You don't reach now, take get belle. When the day husband ass. When like you don't understand. Now person not get topic, now they cause all those things I be waiting now. Topic not the way you want to talk about, now they cause all those things. Now you want a person when you go take get belle follow a pikin. Are you poking me right now? So my darling people, I beg, one of the look what una they do sometimes for una China. Because person get belle follow pikin, that one not supposed to be your headache. It's not supposed to be your topic. Yeah, it's not supposed to be your topic. So now the matter where they ground be this one, my sister. Now say I can't talk. So this is a protect court, a saga where they do all over the place. Now it's not good. It's not good for a year. So wanna stop all those things. Not be baby. YouTube, everybody come here, come grow. And one day we go see grow. One day the big money where they see for the YouTube as my talker. We'll see and one day. So that's how it be. So thank you everybody. Take care till I come your way next time again. I remember your friend, your sister, your humble friend. Thank you and bye.